What's going on, everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take out all of the AI slop, all of the nonsense. AI just loves to send you paragraphs and paragraphs of information. And especially when you want to use that information to send out or say you want to make content with it or whatever, definitely want higher quality outputs. And this just provides a filter to make it super easy for you, right? So here's the example I'm going to show you. So using this AI unslot method I'm about to show you in a second, change the text below to be clear. So here's the text I chose. I've been building through marketing services and client acquisition, but I'm looking to move fully into high volume closing because that's where I know I perform best. It sounds like AI jargon. So with that, there was an email that was sent from Alex Ramosi a few months ago, and I really like the whole idea of it because it just provides you a filter to how to un-AI slop your content, and it gives you a really good example. You guys can read this email. I'll send it to you for free if you go to the link below. But the cool thing about this is if you just throw this within your ChatGPT and you just say within your prompt, say, using this AI unslot method, change the text below to be clearer. And then you just put this, paste that email inside, and make sure that the text at the bottom is separated of what text we're trying to change. And all you have to do is press enter. And let's see what it says instead. Okay, awesome. I've built through marketing services and client acquisition, but sales is where I perform best. I want to move into high volume closing because I like the psychology, problem solving, and accountability that come with it. Now I'm looking for a strong team where I can sharpen fast and produce at a higher level. So it's taking a lot of the jargon out and just making it clear and concise in a sense of what is the root of what we're saying here. Let's not say anything extra. Like, let's not pad it. Let's not add fluffy responses. So just simple for you to do. And if you really want to, you can even go deeper into it within your settings. If you just want your ChatGPT in general to prioritize this, just take the same email. Like I said, I don't mind sending it to you for free. You just say prioritize this logic. So then all of your future instructions will prioritize that level of thinking. So then it's not giving you too crazy lengthy responses. And you can definitely do something similar with Claude if you'd like. And I would say Claude definitely has less fluffy responses just as is. So it's definitely worth noting that Claude is already pretty good at staying a little bit more action-based and having smaller intersets rather than trying to keep you on the app. ChatGPT seems like it was designed to be an app that now just wants to keep you on the platform for the longest it can, rather than prioritizing the best for the user. Instead of getting them to want to take action, they're asking you, okay, what's your next question? And it's just kind of feeding you all this information that you don't need to know, whereas Claude does a much better job at just driving you towards action. And if you take more action, you're going to get more results quicker. So just something to know, but it doesn't hurt within any AI jargon that, because even Claude will yield some pretty fluffy responses. Just run this super simple email filter. I'm telling you, if you just use this email to filter out the information, it'll help you with just making the most clear, concise information possible for whatever you're using it for. So I hope this video helps. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.